So we're at Spirit Energy in Barrow in Furness, and we provide a one-stop safety shop for breathing air and gas detection, radios and fall arrest equipment as well. We also provide specialist operators that maintain the equipment. All the gas monitors need bumping, calibrating. We also send stuff offshore as well, and that can be tested and calibrated here. For any contractors that come onto site, workers who are here on a daily basis or coming on for shutdowns, they have to come to the safety shop. Whatever they need, they get it from here, from Sunbelt, and then go out onto site. So we're the last port of call before they go out onto site. Safety is absolutely critical, especially on a site like this, because it's a top tier coma site. Obviously safety is number one priority at Sunbelt, and having us on site with a safety cabin and safety shop that's on board 7 days a week, all year round, with safety technicians as well that are here, is essential to the customer.
So my role is I go on to different projects, different industrial sites. We take safety equipment, including breathing air, gas detection, harnesses. And what we do on them sites is when they shut down, we have an asset management system in order to trace assets going in and out of shops. We then scan the asset that we're giving out to them, so it could be different types of equipment. So these can have different levels of training as well, which we can set up with asset tags, so that it would deny us to give that customer a piece of kit if they don't have the correct training. So from the asset tags system, we can provide utilisation reports, firstly, so that they know how much kit they're using. We can provide daily reports on who's taking kit out, so they know who's using what kit, whether they should be using that kit. Because we know what equipment's been used, when and who it's been used by, this forms historical data that can be used in the future for safety compliance by our clients on different projects.
The benefits for having us on site are that we're a centralised location on site. Everyone knows where we are. Everyone knows that to get their safety equipment on site, they come to Sunbelt. They've got trained technicians here that will service their needs.